Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and in this video, Aquadoge is what we are going to cover, what we're going to focus on. You've probably seen it before, heard about it before, and there have been some updates for that, as this one is growing day by day. So let's check it out. Right now, we can see on the market that we had a new all-time high with Bitcoin over $108,000 in there. Right now at $106,000. Whenever money is made with Bitcoin, it goes down to different categories, into different coins. We get Pepe, we get Morg, and we get things that being built on that also go to dozens of millions, if not hundreds of millions in valuation. One of them is going to be Aquadoge for Doge, our biggest coin. The current API is 1,200%, just 2.5 days left until the price increases again, and they reached over $600,000 so far of the target of $655,000 in this stage. You can get one Aqua for 0.56 cents, which means if you want to be an Aqua millionaire, you need about $5,600 as of now. If you would have watched any of the content on this earlier, you would have already gotten like a 5 to 10x, that we are still super early, easily a 20x from here, if not more. They are powered by the dedicated blockchain, gasless, zero transaction fees, unparalleled speed, with the dev grants for mass adoption. So far, 135 million tokens have been sold, almost all of them staked, which is absolutely insane. They've been featured around the world on different YouTube channels, and they also have this game behind it. When it comes to Aquadoge, they're not just launching a coin, they're building things for it. The thing about Doge is that all memes are exploding. Doge is at like $60 billion in market cap, and things being built for Doge do similar things. Now, when it comes to Aquadoge, you can see the trailer, the game. We'll check out the Google Play Store page as well for the app fairly soon, and I think this one is the next big thing. We will also look into their X and Telegram community, so you can get or notified about competitions that they have, ongoing challenges, prizes, and giveaways. And the cool thing is, this one is one of those games where you think, okay, could be a casual game, could be, somewhat competitive if you farm for the leaderboard. And the important thing is, it's free, so everybody can join it. They have about 50 downloads so far. Obviously, you can get more if you got an Android phone, so you can access the Google Play Store. Link is down below. Go get the game. We've just watched the gameplay trailer, but you can also, obviously, check the screenshots, see if this one is something you would like to play, something casual, something for fun, and then also find out how long you'll be able to survive in the ocean and avoid dangerous enemies. You can also download that for Mac and Windows. Go for it. If you want to, sign up to the newsletter, or optionally follow them on Twitter and on Telegram. So far, we can simply see prices going up. More has been sold in the pre-sale. Don't miss the opportunity. They tell you as it is. I will laugh at you in a week from now if you didn't buy it. And right now, the oceans of wealth await. Join them, follow them, check out the game, and log into their communities. For that, you gotta go through their short safeguard page over here. Simply click on tap to verify and you can easily enter the groups. What I think is important is that 20% of all the tokens are for the presale, and with 1,200% in APY and 30% staking, with almost all the tokens that have been sold so far being staked, that is absolutely insane. They focus on marketing, they make everybody know about that. 10% of liquidity and prizes as well as rewards. You gotta get some. Now in the roadmap, fairly simple, multiple stages. We launch everything, make it happen, marketing begins, get listed on decentralized exchanges, CoinMarketCap, Gecko, Birdseye, have community rewards, more marketing, and then build this until it is a 100x and more over time. How do you buy it? Fairly simple. You simply click on Buy Now, select the network to purchase it on, available on 6 different chains: ETH, Base, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, and Polygon. I would say go with anything that is not Ethereum, because Ethereum gas fees can be pretty high right now. And if you want to get the token, get it on Arbitrum, get it on Base, that's probably your best bet. Or Solana, if you already made some money with meme coins. They also got the white paper listed over here if you want to check it out in more detail. But for now, the point is that we're still early. We can still get the token, stake it, get some money before the price increases more. Link is down below if you want to check it out. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys, and bye.